How can we store values with custom types in CoreData? So what I'm trying to do here is store a background color value, which is of type string in my CoreData, but before it was of type background color. And background color was this enum that I had made previously. And to fix this, what I'm going to do is extend tab model data, which is the name of my entity. And I'm going to be using a variable that I'm calling BG color to stand for background color, and it has a getter and a setter. And so what the setter does is it says that the background color will just be set to the string value of whatever its case is. So in my enum here, each value has a specific string that goes along with it, and that's what we can store in CoreData. But when we're getting the value, we can return the case of the background color that is aligned to the string that was saved. And what this line basically is just return background color dot init, the raw value background color, meaning that whatever value of the enum is associated with the string that's saved, just return that. We have these double question marks just because we have some optional things, meaning that in case there's nothing there, the code wants some value that it can return so the app doesn't crash, and that's why I have just blue written there as a base color. And so after all of this setup, what this means is that wherever I was using .background color before, I can use .bg color, and it'll work as it was before, but now it's integrated with CoreData. Happy coding!